101.1 Smart FM di Spirit of Indonesia. Smart up your life. BPEC. Wow,
bright and breezy.
Give it applause first, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have for the second question. Yeah, we have a two question for now. Now is the second question. My question is why Korean wave K-pop is a very easy to being popular, spread to all of the world. Yeah, guys, I start from you. Okay, do you have a answer about it? Okay, please your answer.
Okay, so when I was a kid, I totally remember about the first time that I into K-pop. So this boy band named Boyfriend, if you actually know that, if you are legend K-popers. So I was in elementary school that day. I was so small, maybe like this. I don't think so. And then something that really made me interest about this Korean thing is they're catchy. I mean, we don't really found that kind of thing in Indonesia. I mean, about our culture, we don't really dancing like that or maybe dress like that. So I found that interesting. Like, wow, it's something new for us. So if we sewing something new for us, it definitely.
Your microphone switch. Okay, continue. Just switch.
Okay, so when we actually sewing something new, we easily getting get interest about that one because we never found out about that one. I mean, a dancing people like we actually don't really do that. We actually singing a traditional song, or maybe we only praising our country that don't really have any kind of thing that related to that new thing.
So this is about the point is they have a uniqueness.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, that's why all of the work is very interesting to
Yes,
follow them.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Do you still have any addition about it? Or you keep your statement? Okay.
The second one is technology. Actually, the way they promote it. I mean, we don't really have that kind of technology before. So I'm going to Warnet when I want to stream their
Warnet
videos.
era, yeah.
Yes. We actually don't have that kind of thing. And the way they promote it, the way they innovatively promote their members or their stuff, it's so interesting. Like we need to try that one. So that is why we easily get attracted by that one. I mean, they're so innovative with the technology.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. What about you, the cutest, the cutest here?
Okay.
Why they are very easy to get famous all over the world, very popular?
Okay, so I think that one is why the Korean wave is very easily to
Get popular.
get
famous.
popular, and I think when we are want to like take what we say that like me time, sometimes we get some new idea like and if you want to enjoy your time, you just can watching some videos and I think I'm prefer to that Korean music or Korean like K-pop and I really love and so I watching that Korean music I listening if I want to take me time like alone and that why very easy that Korean wave come to our life and it's very easy to just watching enjoy that video and if we want to like using that dress because this era this is very famous like fashion and a lot of people also using that fashion like similar that Korean people and
are they creative to package their entertainment?
Okay, yes, they're very creative. I think that make some design of the dress like whose people very interested about the dress and all of the people in our country, especially in this our country in Indonesia, in the telegrams and very much telegram using that dress like a fashion, Korean fashion.
Role model.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Do you still have an edition to express your idea about it?
Maybe just that.
Okay, you keep it your statement. What about you? Why they easy to get popular, especially for Korean cultures?
Yeah, I think the biggest reason why they catch up and like a wildfire to go viral in this world because they are unique and because of the power of technology. As we know, I'm really not into the Korean, but nowadays when I go into the social media and it's going to my FYP and I think, oh my god, it's something chill, guys. So I'm wondering if it's addict me to watch more, and so that's why maybe people can be feel as me like that.
Sometimes you're searching something, but suddenly you feel or you get distraction about Korean, and after that you click, and after that you're interested.
Yeah, I think that's happening to me right now because before my face to Korean is something bad, like Korean is a surgery plastic, you know.
Oh yeah.
But when I watching the key drama, wow, there's something important or lesson life in their movie. So I think there's no something bad here as we can filtering.
Not totally bad, but we can also take the positive lesson.
Right, that's right. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe the point is the cultures of Korean is have a many positive message also.
Yeah.
Right. Not only bad, but also positive lesson we can take from them. Right.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
And they going to bring us about their culture with subliminal message with soft, so we can accept it with fun,
with love.
Yeah, with love, like this one.
Like sarang.
Yeah, I think that's all about why Korean wife can
okay,
go
because
viral.
they have a soft approaching cultures, right? Okay, thank you, Nurjana. Like a song. They didn't want to see about what I say, right? See, okay, Nurjana.
So for me, I think is the most important, like about the Korean wave is about the media. I mean, in Indonesia, we can saw that on television they start to like putar like Korean drama. They start to like from maybe morning and the night they start to like also drama Korean and also about the music of Korean. So people gonna curious about like, oh, this one I think is interest, and also my mom like getting curious about that.
Wow.
And I suggest to mom like you can see this movie. It's really interesting.
Our physical appearance have any impact to make addictive to see them?
Yes,
because all of them are very beauty and handsome.
Yes,
How
because
could it be?
sometimes when I start to watch one drama and I'm curious about who is the actor, who is the actress, and I start to watch another drama of this actor again. So it's never stops. So I start to watch again, and the new drama I start to listen, and they have the OST of the drama, right? So I'm curious. Wow, this song is really interesting for me. So it also sometimes relate in our life. So I start to like search about the artist or who's the singer of that song, and it's like a addict for us. Sounds like the others said that before.
Because they are good looking, very good looking. Okay, and they relate, right?
Yes, I agree. But yeah.
They still have any edition?
And also, like sometimes they also call that Korean culture have a unique, like they makes like cuteness from Korean. Maybe they saw the idol, like, why my bias is so cute, some kind of like that. The cuteness things, like for example like this, they're doing like this, some kind of like that. So yeah, sometimes my friends also do that for me, like okay, I love you sarangi, or some kind of like they copying their idols like that. So I think that is the interesting one. So sometimes my friends, they didn't like about Korean, but they know about this one is about Korean. So yeah, I think that's
everybody knows.
Yeah,
all of the
so
world.
they
Even
also
Raja Salman knows about Korean.
yeah, I guess.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
we move to the next question. I mean, the third question about Korean wave. I talk about Korean wave. Inside Korean wave is a many substance. I mean, like many aspect, not only drama, but also film, music, food, fashion, technology, and tradition. Yeah, tradition like like a ritual or dance or how to say theatrical, like education, like how to say scholarship, right? Okay, when you guys need to get things about Korean, which aspect you want to choose? Scholarship, drama, film, music, fashion, food, and etc. Which one and why? But we will be right back after this. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia.